Mina, I'm a man age.
You are a man age. Oh.
This boy is ticking all the fucking boxes.
Who's really not?
He's a fucking man.
Age.
That's how I split it.
Yeah, you are a man age.
Nah, it's that is cinema. Yeah, we are the main age.
So that idea came about that time, and this other day, Vuano Kido, she was very nice, And then I took my phone, I showed her one video. I posted Angela on Facebook. I just took that video and posted. Like when I shoot and video one, and I posted that. We woke up 2 days later, that video had like 1 million views.
What?
On Facebook. So,
yes.
Just after 2 days, we wake up 2 days later. The
2
video,
days?
Yeah.
1 million?
From the day of posting the video.
On Facebook.
1 million! Not a mama! 1 million, that's a mouth! Come to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Please, subscribe.
Mfana githi ngiyakutshela beneka slam dume njengomandela angivutha umlilo wangempela angidingi nebeat sangayishaya yakapela mangena kuthi fu shaya umoya kuthi fu mangena kuthi fu shaya umoya kuthi fu Dala la bafana besifuna mina nje ngithi sifuna lo madiba I be walking on water like Jesus Ileka slam dume njengomandela angifuna ngifike kodwa mina ngiyahlasela ubasize bawo they don't know who they messing with at all now mfana githi ngiyakutshela mina slam dume nje
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm not Ray Boss. I see Ray Boss. Oros. Because you know what people are gonna think? I see Oros. So me nangzamu prove which is pussy Oros. I see Oros. Pussy or something. And then I don't try to pussy Oros. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to YYTV once again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do all the right things. Every right thing you know they should be doing. Support Mr. Weezy, bang the Meezy, Waizy, for she's my Meezy. I like you one, give via my pencil, but actually.
Oh yeah, my face. This is Shinenike, my face. On the street, my pencil, tanko.
You know, because I listen to IKFM,
yeah.
I'm gonna say it because I'm a man.
Yeah.
They always say on the streets, on the air. So every time somebody on the streets, on the streets, on the air.
Oh yeah.
And before it was on the streets, on the wireless. That was on YFM. But Nimdala and
I relate.
We can't.
Actually, before I introduce our guests, check. Which radio station do you guys listen to?
Oh.
You don't?
Radio.
It's been a minute.
You don't?
Minute.
Okay, the last minute or the minute before, Umamela in. Apart from 5 FM.
5 FM.
5 FM.
Yeah.
Yes, Sangana.
I'm a 947 fan. Highfield, man. Say Highfield.
But Highfield and 94.7 and 5 FM.
More or less the same. Goma fitting room.
Which song?
Shoot three.
I don't think support you. Which one do you listen to? Are we my man? And for sure, guys, we my man. Oh, guys,
what's a master station? On a channel by
which channel? Who YouTube? Good, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, big shout out to the KVMH group. You want to shoot down today. Before I come as well, City
of Lights.
City of Lights.
Yeah.
And we've got some amazing, super amazing guests in the building.
Yeah.
That's
what a big intro.
It's overwhelming.
The podcast that she's Angifuna ukushunqa ngoba kuyashisa. Shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to Wire Podcast.
Your one and only 2G, too good. Babantwana.
Nangahamba i-1 hamba no Black Hero.
Hamba naye vele.
Too good abantu.
Hamba naye.
Abantwana ba
How
Akali domestic violence.
GBV. Uhamba nabantwana, labantwana bahamba nje. Boy awuhambi naye. Nawo abantwana lapha emoyeni. Abanye base rooftop.
Tshiwa abantwana.
Hayi lahla ngisho abantwana bethu.
Future kids. Uze nenye.
AI kids.
AI
Abantwana bakanje.
Amanga abantwana bakanje. Yeah, AI almost uzothi A is for abantwana, then ngizothola for I. Abantwana bakanje it's AB that one. Ubani? Singunu siyabhema ukokokota.
Pepe mama nguni.
Where's
No,
my joy?
guys, how do you normally introduce yourself, George? If now you get the opportunity to say, who do we have in the studio?
Well, Bafethu, I go by the name of Too Good, and I don't like review number plate. I mean, for nothing as young or Too Good,
Yeah.
and in everything I touch, I'm assumed to be too good at it. So yeah,
That's where the name comes from.
That's just who I am.
Everything you charge just becomes
Ukuthi yini nje ngaze ngayibamba nje.
Ne,
Iba too good.
mawibamba, iba too good.
Njengalokho lot.
Nale bekuyihigh maka mase ubambe uyi yaba too good.
Yonke into ayibamba iba too good. Ngifuna yonke into ayibambile. Because even ibe too good.
Ibe too good.
Ne.
Yeah. Ne magic touch too.
When uthi mahlangana nabantu or introduce kuma socials, khulume nababukeli bethu lamuzi introduce.
abaningi bangazi ngokuPriscilla but yena ngiprefer ukuthi bangibize ngoBlack Hero. Yeah. That's just how it is.
So basically ukuthi yena too good because yonke into ayithasha is too good. When Black Hero, how did you come about?
Yo man, ngibuya Ferga actually.
Start is seferge.
Asibisele muva.
Isuke kahle kahle igama ukuthi vele it's just as if vele bebangibona as a panda, you know, because of my black eyes. So I've always been Black Hero from that point. From vele nje.
Oh, it has nothing to do with complexion.
No,
It's
just
because of the things.
Yeah, because I got
Like me.
compared to this one.
Like me, you see, nami nazo listen to this.
So nanibona impahla nje.
Black Kid. So the Kido doesn't come from Kid, Black Kid, and then he went dope.
No,
Oh, Black Kido.
just Black Hero.
Someone gave it to you, or who was adapted? You were like, aha.
And they just said like this is perfect for me. Just
Yeah.
Hero.
So the kiddo albuyi njengoba buza ukuthi albuyi ku kid ukuthi you are a black kid.
No,
No, it's just black kiddo.
just kiddo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because bengizobuza ukuthi
Nothing interesting.
what happens maso ukhula ke so bana bo 40 still gonna be black kiddo,
Black
black
ants,
mama,
black
black
ants,
Snoop
black
Dogg
ants,
phela ngithi
black
bekudog
ants.
waba ulion.
Black auntie,
Black auntie. Oh yeah.
About that.
Oh, rich aunt.
Black
Because
dad.
I'm sure by that time uzosudla amagumba. Rich aunt.
No, nice one, guys. I mean, we are excited. Ubanana.
Yeah.
Because we had our first shot. You remember?
Yeah.
We did a 10 minutes. Ngisana little clip. And ngihlangane nalo at some point. That's when I was like, "Mina siqhebela away, man. Mina siqhebela away." Sasishela somewhere ngale 6 ngase crossing. Then I was like,
Oh, yeah.
which is like 2 years ago.
That was a long time.
That was like yeah, 2, ne?
That was, I think that was 2023. Yeah, that was 2023. Yeah, it was 2023. Surely that's a park, ne?
Yeah.
It was 2023.
How do you know?
It was around December 2023. If I was mistaken.
I remember
Yeah.
being the man.
Mm.
That's how I remember to go to them. I was loaded. Bonus in the ring, Mama. Bonus in the ring.
Oh, nearly festive.
Yeah, it's around 15. Making excited. Hey, Nikki, would you? No. Hey, I'm going to get it. Suppose the Oros and Shupi next.
Uncle.
Ne, which is the Oros. People still don't believe I'm sure we do the Oros, guys. Something contest with each other, but they are quite obvious. Not the way you flew on account. Just my friend, let's talk about your career into music. No. Nona, I'm in a hurry.
Yeah, ujahile mfana.
Ngifuna ukwazi ngikhulele phi.
Yeah.